So if you're brand new and you want to buy Ethereum on Coinbase Wallet, here's exactly how you do it. Step 1, download the Coinbase Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play, not the Coinbase Exchange app. I said the Wallet app. Step 2, when you're set up, write down your recovery phrase and store it somewhere safe. This is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. Step 3, open the app and tap on buy and sell or transfer. And you're gonna find Ethereum listed right at the top. Step 4, choose how you want to fund it. You can either connect a Coinbase.com account and transfer Ethereum directly, or you can buy with a credit debit card or Apple or Google Pay inside the wallet. Step 5, pick how much Ethereum you want to buy. Confirm the fees and hit buy. And just like that, the Ethereum will show up in your Coinbase wallet balance, ready to send, swap, or stake. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.